Tons of potential customers are visiting your website every single day. But how many are just slipping through the cracks? Well, in this explainer, we're going to fix that. We're going to show you how to use HelloCRM's smart forms to turn those anonymous visitors into real actionable leads by capturing, organizing, and automating the whole process. Let's dive in.
So let me ask you something. Do you ever get that feeling that your website forms are kind of like a leaky bucket? People land on your site, they start to fill something out, and then poof, they're gone. If that sounds familiar, you are definitely in the right place.
Here's the thing, a clunky or confusing form is a total conversion killer. And hey, even if someone does fill it out, if your team has to manually copy-paste that info, clean it all up, and then figure out who to even send it to, well, by then, that super interested, hot prospect has probably already moved on. But what if we could fix all of that? The solution is to create forms that are not only super easy for your visitors to use, but that also send perfectly structured, clean data straight into your CRM, ready to go. And that's exactly what we're going to build right now. We'll break it down into 4 really simple steps. First, we create the form. Second, we add some smart fields. Third, and this is key, we'll map those fields to our CRM. And finally, we'll preview and publish. Seriously, it's that easy. Okay, so let's jump right into the HelloCRM Marketing Suite. The drag and drop builder makes this, honestly, a piece of cake. We can just pull in the basics, like name and email, and for more detail, we can add things like a multi-select dropdown to find out what our visitors are actually interested in. All right, now this is where the magic happens. As we add each field to the form, we're going to map it directly to a property inside our CRM. So the company name on the form fills the company name on the contact record, no manual entry. And that right there, that's the secret sauce for keeping your data clean and organized from day one. And check this out. This is a really clever trick. You can use what's called conditional logic to make the form dynamic. So, for example, if a visitor says their role is in marketing, we can have a new question pop up that asks about their budget. It's a super smart way to qualify leads without hitting everyone with this giant intimidating form. Okay, so our form is built. Now for my favorite part, the aha moment. Let's see what happens from the visitor's side of things and, more importantly, what's going on behind the scenes the instant they click that submit button.
So just imagine a potential customer lands on your pricing page. They love what they see, they fill out your brand new form to ask for a demo, and they hit submit. The real magic isn't just that you got a notification, it's what happens inside your CRM in that exact moment. And boom, there it is. Instantly, HelloCRM creates a brand new contact. Or if they already exist, it just updates the record to avoid duplicates. Their lifecycle stage gets set to lead, they're automatically dropped into our website leads list, and it can even create a linked company record. All of that happens in a blink, with zero manual work. So here's the thing you've got to remember. A form isn't just a form. In a platform like HelloCRM, that form submission is like the starting pistol for your entire sales and marketing engine. It really is just the beginning. I mean, that one little click from your visitor can kick off a whole chain of powerful automated actions. We can trigger entire campaigns and workflows that start engaging that new lead the second they've shown they're interested. For instance, as soon as that form is submitted, we can automatically enroll them in a welcome email series. We can send an alert to the right salesperson on your team, and we can even add them to something called a power dialer list to make it super efficient for your sales team to follow up with a call. The possibilities are pretty much endless, and it's all automated.
Okay, before we wrap up, I want to share one quick pro tip with you. This is a simple trick, but it will make a massive difference in the quality of your data and your reporting.
Okay, so on the left, you see a pretty common mistake, using generic fields that just lead to messy data. But on the right, that's the good stuff. When your form fields, like a drop-down menu for industry, perfectly match the properties you've set up in your CRM, you guarantee every single submission is clean, structured, and ready for you to filter and report on. And if you want to take it to the next level, use hidden fields. Your visitor can't see them, but they automatically capture all that juicy marketing data in the background, like where the lead came from, which ad they clicked, or what offer they downloaded. This is pure gold for figuring out what's actually working. So there you have it. You can see how a simple form is really the front door to this incredibly powerful lead generation engine. We've just turned a totally anonymous visitor into an organized, data-rich contact who's now ready for the next step. You've got the foundation now. You know exactly how to build a smart form that pipes clean, actionable data right into your CRM.
So the next logical step is to build out the automated journeys that actually nurture those leads and turn them into happy customers.
And that's exactly what we're jumping into next time, mastering workflows and automation in HelloCRM. We'll show you how to design all of those trigger-based journeys, all without writing a single line of code. You won't want to miss it.